honor and a pleasure to have you here, sir. And we would like to know from you your views, your opinion on how this industry should be further growing. And I would also like to request you, sir, if you can throw slightly some light also on the socio-medical relief, the award which you have been presented. So regarding that, and also your views on the growth of this industry.
Mrs. Pooja Thakur and all the, Mr. Ravi Singh and all the young people organization of, I think everybody who I have met are young. And so this is a very encouraging trend that you have taken this task and formed this association. All the members of my fraternity, dental surgeons, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to be here on this occasion organized by the Prime Time Research Media Private Limited, who are India's leading global insight-driven media services company, widely recognized for the pioneering and innovative work for its clients. This company is a dynamic and progressive media service provider offering comprehensive brand and research services covering vital sectors of the health, among others. First of all, I would congratulate all those winners of this awards, I would say awardees, which will be conferred right after this. And I'm very, very happy that they have chosen these awards with great care, as I've been told, looking into their professional standing as well as the infrastructures at their clinics or the organizations or the hospitals. To recognize and encourage excellence in different fields, this Prime Time has been organizing various awards, as just now she has told, and that is the innovative ideas and build enthusiasms in areas related to the health and education. The motto of the community, dentist community, is to serve the humanity, particularly at the level who cannot afford costly dental treatment, and also to religiously follow ethical practices, which is very important for all of us. Nothing is as permanent as change. The explosive growth in biological and dental sciences triggers profound changes in the healthcare methodology. A continuous assessment of ethical, social, economical, and legal implications become compulsory exercise. On the other hand, accountability has increased the necessity for changing our postures and attitudes towards the healthcare system we adopt. It is increasingly apparent that to be able to reach the community, a holistic approach is a mandatory methodology. Modern dentistry didn't happen overnight, but slowly evolved, although change is frustrating at many times. The basic aim of dentistry is to clear the shadow of oral diseases from the community. The extent to which the dental fraternity can achieve this will depend largely as to how to organize, and the organizers of the community health programs are also able to evaluate the changing priorities of the community and the profession in general. All of you know that we conducted National Oral Health Survey at the helm of, I was helm of affairs in the Dental Council of India. And that survey had shown that about 75 to 80% people are still suffering from the dental oral disease, from the oral cancers, from the dental caries, and about 75% to 80% again periodontal disease, and the 55% children still have malocclusions, and also 35 to 40% of all the body cancers are oral cancers. Now, this is what we're finding in the National Oral Health Survey we conducted at the Dental Council of India. Now, IDA has now conducted the population ratio, which the one dentist to 9,000 persons in the rural or semi-rural, in the urban and semi-urban areas, and 1 to 20% in the rural areas, which they have conducted a few years back. Now, we have to bring this ratio down for the optimum oral health of the population, which we are trying our best. By increase of dental colleges in the country, now we have more than 300 dental colleges. Now, this was because of this that we have to reduce the dental population ratio, dentist population ratio of the country. No doubt, we have another problem at the moment of having qualified teachers to teach the students. Well, slowly and slowly we'll achieve that target also. Then the problem of public health problem can only be solved if we are able to identify the problem, determine their causes, and implement solutions through our skills, energy, and imagination. This can only be accomplished if we adopt a systematic approach. And the need-based dentistry has now become want-based or evidence-based. Various dental associations are not only helping in creating awareness about dental health amongst the dental public, but also educating the professionals to update their knowledge about recent advances. In order to enhance the quality of life and the community responsibility towards healthcare, it is essential that regular programs and strategies are encouraged which involve community in order to understand their health problems and to help arrive at decisions about oral health care that should be provided. We have to give clear messages to the people to follow sensible use of sugars, efficient and regular toothbrushing habits, use of fluoridated toothpastes, and not to use pan masalas, gutkas, and chewing or smoking tobaccos to avoid falling prey to the white patches, that is submucous fibrosis, and then the oral cancers. We have also to give clean message to the people to have healthy food rich in proteins, fibers, fruits, etc., to enjoy the disease-free lives. Let me invite all of you to attend the FDI, FDI 14 at Greater Noida. And I'm sure all of you will attend because we are having, being patron of that FDI, I can assure you that we'll give you a very high-class scientific programs, then good hospitality, and all the social functions you are going to enjoy. I would like to each and every dental surgeon should attend this, because this FDI, the World Dental Congress, doesn't come every year in India. It's very hard to bid for this international event. I'm sure that the prime time will also help in educating the public about whatever I said. And this is very, very important, I feel. Your organization should encourage the people to do whatever I said just now. Thank you very much.